Nowadays, a lot of people wants to have a mini pond in their house where they wish to see beautiful aquatic plants thrive and fishes live happily playing around. But some misconceptions are stopping their dreams from becoming a reality. Fishes are sensitive and might die. It is time consuming and wastage of energy. Aquatic plants are rare and costly. Well, for fishes, it depends on what breed you are keeping and their proper care. For time and energy, it depends on how much you enjoy doing it. And for plants, if we go out and look for some aquatic plants in the nearby ponds and wetlands, then we can have them without spending any money. So let's check out some aquatic plants suitable for mini ponds which are easily available in the wild. Also known as water cabbage, Nile cabbage and shellflower, this plant is among the world's most productive freshwater aquatic plants and considered an invasive species. They grow fuzzy lime green rosettes of leaves that look like little floating heads of lettuce. The plant floats on water surface while the roots are submerged and hangs beneath the floating leaves. The roots of the plant directly absorbs excess nutrients from the water, making them natural filters for any ponds, which keeps the water healthy for fishes and aquatic life. The plant also reduces algae blooms by blocking the sunlight in the water. Along with the beneficial aspect, the shape of the plant also adds beauty to your pond. I really appreciate your valuable time you gave to us. If you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe our channel. Also known as water lentils and water lances, these plants have a simple structure and lacks an obvious stem or leaves, and they float on surface of freshwaters and wetlands. These plants are found abundantly in the wild as they can be spread by waterfall and small animals transported inadvertently on their feet and bodies as well by moving water. It is also a high protein food source for fishes and some other aquatic animals. These also provide cover and shade for smaller fishes and fry of many aquatic species. Two of the most common varieties found in the wild are Spirodella polyrhiza and Lemna minor. Pennywort is a common word given to several types of plants around the world, having rounder leaves that mostly lives in wet places such as wetlands, marshes, swamps, riverbanks, sometimes even in deeper water. Also known as copper coin, lucky plant, dollar plant, marsh pennywort and common pennywort, this plant can easily thrive in both soil and water. Although many species of this plant are available in our country, two of the most common varieties are Hydrocotyle and Centella asiatica, both commonly known as Indian pennywort. They have small leafy outgrowths at the base which are kidney-shaped to round, having long creeping stems that often form dense mats near ponds, lakes, rivers and marshes. Having various medicinal and culinary benefits, these plants are great choices for ponds and aquariums as purifiers. Also known as water moss, these are small floating ferns that commonly grows on the surface of still or slow moving freshwater areas such as lakes, ponds and canals, and also inhabits brackish water including swamps, marshes and wetlands. This plant is very essential in ponds as it can filter the water, prevent overgrowth of algae, provides shelter and shade for fishes, and also prevents them from jumping out. The two most common species of the plant that are easily found in the wild are Salvinia cucullata and Salvinia minima. These are perennial free-floating aquatic plants that grows attractive flowers, mostly lavender to pink and rarely white in color, that floats by means of buoyant bulb-like nodules at the base above the water surface. It grows and reproduces quickly, so it can cover large portions of ponds and lakes, and hence known as one of the fastest growing plants on earth. Water hyacinths can absorb a large amount of harmful heavy metals and other toxic substances and can keep the water clean, provide a food source for some fishes, as well help to provide oxygen. Therefore, this beautiful plant can be a great addition to your pond. Thanks for watching. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.